Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be decluttering my home office that has become a storage room again. Whenever I buy new furniture and decor and accumulate a lot of stuff, the things I'm not currently using around the house goes in here. This room has become quite cluttered since the last time I organized this space, so it's time for another clean out. I'll be purging home decor and listing items in my Poshmark closet. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Poshmark, which is an app you can use to buy in or sell fashion, beauty, home decor, electronics, and so much more. You can find amazing deals and shop from thousands of brands such as Nike, West M, Crate & Barrel, Apple, just to name a few. And something that Poshmark does that I think is really great is offering complimentary authentication for luxury products selling for $500 or more. So that's really great if you're going to be shopping for those really nice luxury high-end products that are kind of pricey. Let me show you how to find my closet or how to just search for people selling on Poshmark. So on the home page, you'll go to the top and click on the person icon first. The regular search bar is for products, but you have to click this icon if you want to search for the users. You can type in the name. I'm going to put in Keisha J and I'll be at Glam Everything. You can go ahead and follow me so that you're notified whenever I list stuff. I tend to do these home decor purges a lot. I've been buying more items and my decor is just starting to add up, so I really need to get it under control again. I always go to Poshmark whenever I want to purge, so yeah, I really love the app, guys, and I definitely recommend it. So if you're interested in shopping my closet or from your favorite brands, you can go ahead and download Poshmark using the link in my description box. This space is out of control. I've been collecting boxes because I knew I was going to do another home decor purge. I'm going to pull out all of my home decor. This is my home decor closet. I need to pull this stuff out and just go through it all. Some of this stuff is gonna have to stay in here, but I don't want this space to look and feel like a storage room. It's definitely time for me to put my focus in this room now. Last week it was all about my closet and I did an extreme purge in there. I got rid of so many clothes and now it's time for me to just do the home decor. So let's get started.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. With the negativity, with that low mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. With that, jump off, my bad. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, working all day.
Alright, I am done with this space. It looks so much better. I can come in here and relax now because I don't have a ton of boxes everywhere. I'm still storing items in this room until I find a new home for them. But it's not too bad. I just have this bench and one ottoman in this corner and just miscellaneous items. And then over here in this corner, I just have a bunch of vases that's too big to fit in the closet. So I just put them over here for now. Some of this stuff I'm holding on to because I wanted to spray paint, like these lanterns. I want to spray paint that wood black. I'm not really a fan of that color. I do have some bigger pieces that I want to sell, but can I list them on Poshmark because they're too big? So like I was thinking about letting go of this tall vase here. That floor vase, but yeah, that's too big, so I'm gonna have to do like a local sale for that. This cabinet as well, definitely want to let that go. I know this space looks very random as far as how it's styled. This is not how I would want to decorate it, but I'm not gonna go out and buy anything new just to decorate a space that we're gonna be packing up for the move. I mean, we have some time before that happens. We still have until like closer to the end of the year. We just had so much stuff from our previous home that we had to make work in this house, so I decided to put all of the extra stuff in here and just create something. The only time I really come in here is to just edit videos anyways. So the storage closet. Yeah, it still has a lot of decor. I mean, I wasn't trying to empty it out, but now I have all of the decor that I actually use. Here are all of the items I'm going to be listing in my Poshmark closet. I am going to be listing a lot of stuff this time around, a ton. Nice stuff, I'm just not using them anymore. The dining room is probably going to look like this for a couple of days, but that's okay. I mean, these items are going to start selling. They tend to sell fast, and I can just, you know, package it all up and get this space back in order. I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.